Alright. Assalamualaikum. My name is Mandarwich and this is my app, GrocerNow, a on-demand mobile app, mobile grocery shopping app. For starters, this is the login page. You can continue with Google or you can just sign in. Let's just let you still for now. Um, I'm just going to sign in. I already have the account ready, so to the order to bore because just I'm gonna censor this. Clean this. So this is out the front page, and it's just like normal app with feature portals here, and thing it's a bit boring, yeah. But like it's the features that is interesting. So you see there is a little bit of camera on top of here. What is that doing there? So, but before we're gonna explain that later. Before now, I'm going to go to the separate pages. The first one is the browse page. And you can see you can browse the page. Some filters up here. And then the cart page is where your cart was set. Right now it's empty. There is this cool art right here that you know that I made pretty good, I must say. And also the profile page. That's the that's a picture. Picture. Also a now wall balance. I'm going to explain what that is in a moment. Put in pause, but let's see what this camera button actually doing. So when you click that button, there will be a choose source. You can camera or a gallery. Let's go for a gallery. Let's select. Let's just say I select a grapes here. We analyze the produce using AI, Gemini 2.5 specifically, and it will go into a text that we put into the text bar and the grapes right here. Let's try with another item next. Let's go for the banana. Go to banana, yeah. Well, and as you can see, a little bit later, and we got the banana right here. Let's put this into our cart right now. Let's for this king salmon right here. Let's just say I want to put like just one at a time, right? We're tedious. Let's open up this page, this cart right here. I'm gonna see the description is right here, the store name, and also the how much is a price per kg right here. So go for let's buy three of these, right? Go, is there a party going on? Let's go for three, and if I add it to the cart. But I was, trying to figure out what do I do with all of this. What can I make with all of these ingredients? So what's this? What's this button right here? What's winner? Let now chef turn this into recipe. Let's try it, and it will get the item inside our cart and turn it into recipe. Also use AI, Gemini 2.5. So a bit of time. We need to analyze the ingredients. And here we are. Welcome to Good Chicken, where culinary innovation meets convenience. Seared king salmon and lamb cutters with charred banana tamarind glaze. That's pretty good. With our delivery, king salmon fillets, lamb cutlets. There was some ingredients as well. That's pretty cool. You can just copy it to clipboard, or go and save the recipe. We will talk about what that actually do. So let's just dismiss this, and also have the checkout list. Going to talk about it later. And now we have the process checkout. Let's process checkout right here. To check out, you need to select a delivery address. So I have my save address already right here. You can add multiple save addresses if you want to, by the way. Also, we get the payment methods. You can do online payment, cash on delivery, or now with a balance. Let's go for the online payment and see what happens. I got $159 $0 because my total is above 50 ringgits to get delivery fee, got a free delivery fee, and place the order. Took a bit of time, and it will go to the bill please sandbox that I made. 159, let's pay, and that's supposed to pay. Because there's several payment right here. And the order is confirmed because the order code, date and time, also delivery address. Now how do I supposed to look, how do I look at my orders and I want to refer it in the future? And you will see this is my order page on the profile. This is some order details, the order here, the password that I made to test this. And now I think it's a good opportunity to make it to explain how how all these buttons works. So let's go for now wallet first. Now each member, now each user can also top up the owner their own amount for them to use in the future, just like any other e-wallets. Kalau may ma-order ka sa customer, let's go for 100. Do the exact same things before you open up the bill please thing. So we don't to go through that, but we'll see how this works. Right? A little bit. Hope this works. I spent too much time with this, and go to this. Choose our payment, and here we go. So that's the computer. We see the balance is not updated, and now we can go and show. Oh, sorry. Oh no. What happened? Alright, well, sorry for that. technical problems. Let's go to the profile. Here you can change your name, username, your full name, your phone number, the country you want, also the full address that you wanted to auto select when you go and check out. Change password, standard one, just change the password, and we need to put the email. Oh, what's keep happening? This is keep happening. Sorry about that. Yes, okay. A lot of problems with this app, as you can see. Let's go to my orders right here. Very talk about this. I don't know why. Okay. If I go to the now list. Now list, you can save grocery list so that you can add a lot of items into the grocery list, and then you can add it to the cart instantly. So let's go and create in the list. Let's create in the list. I'm gonna call it test demo time, and then let's go to create list. Why does this keep happening? Dun 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 dun. I don't think I can upload the same time. Alright, let's continue. Probably for what? Now we already with the demo time list, and you can see there's empty. It's about to add fresh produce. What is share with household thing? I'm going to explain what it is. So, but now let's explore this list option. So, this and the produce out at like grapes or something like that. And when you do this, it will search for grapes, and it's at the grapes right here. And let's see my browse page. We have a camera thing as well. One of the lamb cutlets right here. So like you go to green potato right here, and yeah, let's go back. As you can see, the demo time list has the items also added to cart instantly, or we can duplicate the list or delete the list. Let's add to cart shall we? It's a bit late, but it should now add to cart right here, and here we are. But how about the recipe list here? Right here? It's a recipe list, right? What this does is that when you, of course, you can select the courses as this if you wanted to quickly do that, and you can now click here. Let's just go to recipe using what we have. A little bit of time. I'm going to speed this up. And now we got the now shafting. I'm going to save the recipe. Save the recipe as demo recipe. And here we are. And now this is safe. I don't have any notification. Which doesn't work. I guess I am barely rushing right now. But now let's go to recipe. You can see our demo recipe here with all the items. So to view the recipe that you can refer in the future if you want to actually do this. Let's miss it. Continue. And now let's get to the final feature is the household settings. Right now when you are a member of the household, you can create a household. But for this demo I will already join a household. Now with a household you can have permissions. Right now we don't I am just a member, but when you are a manager you can check some permission for a member to do, like allow for them to only use Now Wallet balance as their preferred method of payment, or make sure that every single order needs to be approved by the manager first before they can get through. Or a lot more other permissions. I will show it on screen right now what the permissions look like. But it also a list. This is a household list that is shared across users or managers can share them. Let's share some of our list that we just made. So go to recipe, to ultimate recipe right here with 50 items. And let's just share with household. When you do that, you cannot unshare it anymore. And we go to the household. This is there. There's an ultimate recipe right here. Will be available to all users, to all members and managers inside of this household right here. To put this, and that's it only for the members. I will include I will continue this segment by the manager point of view. So yeah. All right, let's continue. This is how a manager the manager household dashboard look like to a manager. So the list, the orders, also and incoming order for approval. So the list. So we'll go to our before because we got adopt approval. Let's lead to Now Wallet, allow list editing, or require leave approval. So that means that certain household can just leave without the approval of the manager. Also allow wallet top up as well. So that means that the user cannot top up on their own. Only the manager can do that. So see, they can top up in order to auto approve threshold. This is when a order receives a threshold that you have set here. So let's say that they just want, like your kid, right? They just want to buy some water, right? Mineral water, and now they need to go prove it to you. So when they make sure that they approve is like under, let's say that, or the trader want to make it so that you will under 10 ringgit, for example, right? So 10 ringgit is the threshold that will just auto approve the payment and will just go through automatically. So the top up here, of course, it's the same thing. It says top up how many you want, and it's a state emission right here. So the stance that means that when the user were to when the user were to buy the items, we're going to go through if the item total is over under 10 ringgits. Can order right here, and yeah, that's it for the app. Bye.